Hi, kindergartners. Welcome to a new week of math. Today is Monday, May 11th, and we are on lesson 22. Let's get started. We're going to warm up with a little word problem. Let's read it. Cedric has 5 pennies. Liam has 3 pennies. Who has more? Let's draw out those pennies to see who has more. Cedric has 5 pennies. Liam has 3 pennies. Who has more? I noticed that Cedric has 3 pennies and 2 more. Liam just has 3 pennies. 5 is more than 3, so Cedric has more pennies. We're going to need to use those words more and less to help us in our problems today. We're going to be talking about which team numbers are bigger and which team numbers are smaller. Let's look at some problems to help us. In this problem, friends, we have 2 different groups. One group is going to have more boxes, and one group will have less boxes. So we will be able to compare our team numbers. Compare means I know which is more and which is less. Let's say that together. I can compare numbers. Let's try our first problem together. When I'm comparing team numbers, kindergartners, the first thing I want to do is find a group of 10. Step 1, find a group of 10. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I found my group of 10, so I need to quick circle it. Circle my group of 10. But I see that I have some leftovers. 1, 2, 3. Let's write those leftovers right here. I have 10, 3. What number does that make? 13. Let's write 13 just so we know. 1 and a 3 makes 13. Awesome work. So what we want to do, oops, that's not what I want. We need to go to our next problem and find another group of 10. When we find our groups of 10, we can compare numbers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle it. My group of 10. Let's count the leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left over. 10, 5. What number is that? 15. Let's write it down. 1 and a 5 makes 15. Nice work. So now we have to compare. We know that we have 13 blocks and 15 blocks, but which one is more and which one is less? We can compare the leftovers to make it a little bit easier. So we can just look at our 3 and our 5. Let's use our fingers to help us out. Show 3 fingers and 5 fingers. Which one is more? 5 is more than 3. Can you say that? 5 is more than 3. But I can flip-flop it. I can say 3 is less than 5. Can you say that? 3 is less than 5. We figured it out. We know that 3 is less than 5. So I know that 13 is less than 15. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the word less. You did it. Great job. Let's practice one more time before you work on your problem set. Let's erase our drawings and see our next problem. I see lots of fruit. Are you ready? Let's read. Circle 10 apples. Circle 10 oranges. They know our first step. We always have to find a group of 10 when we are comparing teen numbers. Let's do it. I'm gonna get ready to circle my group of 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am going to circle that group of 10. Let's count the leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leftovers. That means we have 10, 5, 15. Let's work on the oranges. Let's find a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle our group of 10. Count the leftovers with me. 1, 2. Just 2 left. 10, 2. 12. Let's write it in. So now we have to compare. We have 5 leftovers and 2 leftovers. 5 is more than 2. 2 is less than 5. Our problem says check the group that has less. Which one had less? 15 or 12? We said 5 is more than 2. 2 is less than 5. 12 is less than 15. So it says check the group that has less. So I will put a little check mark, just like they said, because there's only 2 leftovers and this has 5 leftovers. This group has more leftovers. This group has less leftovers. Kindergartners, let's erase our work and take a look at your problem set today. Your problem set is going to help you to practice the same work that we just did. You are going to compare your numbers. Your job is to circle 10 erasers, circle 10 pencils. Then look at the extras to compare. Which group has more things? Which group has less things? This is where it gets a little bit tricky. You might need an adult to help you figure out if you're supposed to check the group with more or less. More starts with M, so you can also look for the M. Less starts with L, so you can look for the L to know which group to check. Your biggest job, friends, is to circle a group of 10 and match the extras to compare. Great work, and I can't wait to see your problem sets, kindergartners. Have a great day.